Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm doing a unboxing of a Targus docking station. It's 4K and it's only for devices that have a USB Type-C. This should work for anything with that connection in it. Here is the docking station. Doesn't really dock, it connects through a cable using USB Type-C. Let me open this real quick. This is what it looks like. Here are some of the connections. If you guys want to pause the video and make sure you have, there's Ethernet, display, HDMI, 3 USB ports, another Type-C port, and an auxiliary port. So that's that. And let's see what else is in the box. Here's a power cable that connects to your power supply. Just connect that in there. And then there's the USB Type-C on both ends. Guys, when you connect this, make sure you connect the USB Type-C to the back of the docking station. I've seen a lot of people try to connect here, and that's a big no-no. It will not even work at all. So yeah, do not connect there. And then the power supply goes there. Then from here, all you connect is your monitors, and then keyboard, mouse, Ethernet, and boom, you're ready to connect tablets or whatever you're gonna connect this to. I've connected a Samsung Note 10 to this docking station and it works. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this short unboxing video. More coming soon. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.